Hot. Hot.
Hot.
Hot.
There you go.
Alrighty.
Would you do the sparklers? Let's
go.
light one off just for fun.
Alright, Verge. These are called sparklers.
I wish I could put a
Okay.
picture on Facebook like
Ready?
you can when you're chatting with somebody.
Yeah.
Can't do that. Look, Verge.
You want to hold it?
Ooh.
Probably, I think we
Look at how short they are.
ought
Do
to
again?
put some long pants on him.
That was like the shortest sprinkler in the world. A sprinkler. Sparkler. I remember as a kid they would last like
They were
forever. They were long
yeah.
and they'd go for... You could write things in the air with them.
Man.
All you gotta do is read the label. It says, made in China.
Yeah, really. Here. I'll run the matches.
The candle up.
Hmm?
You ready? You wanna hold it? It's kind of sparkly.
That's funny.
He's not so sure about that, Mama.
God, look at that.
That's so... I mean, they're like 10 seconds. Oh, yeah, when we had them, they were like double that size and really super thick.
Yeah, really.
Really thick. So they would go for... I bet they would go for at least a minute.
Well,
we're aging.
We've taught him how about hot.
Hot, and so, yeah,
and
he's
so
like-
he's a little
he's a little
reluctant.
good.
More?
Too much
Too much wax.
wax in there. Oh, okay.
He'd do a whole box at one time.
Jeez, that's terrible. I don't like that. at
Wow,
all.
those
Ready,
are
Verge?
amazing how little they
Here
are.
we go. Cool. Oh, that's what's called pushing out.
Oh, it's extinguishing it.
What do you think, Verge? Are those cool? Huh?
Cool.
Actually, they're hot.
They are hot. Yes, this is true. They are hot. Owie, hot.
I have to put my sweatshirt on.
I know.
What color have you got, Sarah?
Yellow. And red.
Mm.
There it goes. Those handles are really short. I wouldn't let a little one hold those either. Those are little. Huh. What do you think, Verge?
Do some more?
So good.
Yeah,
Mom
Mama's
did it.
doing it. Mama's doing it. Yeah, he's like, ooh, not so sure about those. Wow.
V-I-R-G-I-L.
Actually,
an owl?
running it together. I didn't see it.
Oh, I hear it.
Those are the air guns.
No, it was going hoo 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 hoo. Sound
Oh,
like an
no.
owl.
That's,
Sounded like it was back over that way.
You want to do it?
Got 7 seconds.
Look at him.